Hey everyone, Benny the Finance Dog here. Welcome to my channel. On today's video, just wanted to kind of do a midweek update on the three tickers that we normally trade. Been a bit of a quiet week, but wanted to just get my thoughts going into the back half of the week. So starting with SPY, we've seen on Monday we had a sharp rise. On Tuesday, obviously the markets were closed, and today we basically just gave back the gains from earlier this week as we head into Thursday and Friday. Not too many events on the calendar, so we should see some action. Volume has been pretty low this week so far in terms of shares being traded, but that's as to be expected. FOMC didn't really impact the way that the press conference would, but of course that was to be expected. So right now we are up on the week in SPY as we can see from the weekly chart here. But if we go over to our daily, we can start to see some levels of importance. This gap closing is an area of watch for me. So whether we bounce at 441.50 or potentially 440 as a major psych level, I'd like to see that. If we do break through 440 to the downside, I'd probably be looking for a bounce at 438. Though for us to drop that much, I think would be pretty significant, especially since we've had two up days the last two trading days, despite having a gap down going into today. So trading to the upside, we'll probably look for 444, maybe take some puts, reject off that. 444.50 is also a level of significance. Switching over to QQQ, we're looking at the weekly chart here, and on this weekly, it's a little bit of the same story. A down day heading into Thursday's trading session, but on the week we are up. So, if today's price action holds, we did hold that 370 level pretty significantly. So we'll see if we break to the upside, which would be nice. Some levels to be on the lookout for. Just a clean 371 is a level of interest here. 370.50, of course, as well. And then higher levels, should we break that 371, I'd be looking at a reversal somewhere around 370.60 to take some puts off a reject there. And then on the downside, 369, we're looking for a bounce for calls. Still in the beginning of the month, so definitely have a strong upside bias, but you never know. Switching over to Apple. Apple has actually had a down week after having a kind of gangbuster close to the week last week. Two consecutive down days for Apple, though today was really, it's only down 0.6%, held that 191 level, or 190.93 if you want to be really specific. So we'll see if tomorrow we open up and that's been held, or if that previous support now becomes resistance should we gap down into tomorrow. If we do gap down, obviously we'd be looking at that 191 level to take puts off of. 190 still a strong level on the downside if we were to break there. More levels to the downside if we are to continue this fall throughout the course of the week. 189 and then all the way down at 188 with very little stoppage before there. So just wanted to get a quick video to kind of get some levels going into Thursday and Friday. Hopefully you guys have made money or stayed away from the market when it's kind of trading sideways. I know Tesla kind of went crazy on Monday based on the Saturday's numbers, so hopefully you caught some of that move if you trade multiple tickers. Futures market has also kind of traded sideways. We'll do probably more videos about that in future weeks. In the future, talk about futures, haha. But aside from that, Thursday and Friday, hopefully the volume picks up and we can see some better opportunities to make some trades. So hopefully you're being smart. Hopefully you had a lot of fun on Independence Day. Thank you as always for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Woof woof.